Hi, my name is William. I work at Hyundai Steel Auto Group at 3625 Kemp Road. I would like to give a brief overview of the new Hyundai Elantra 2024 model. I will explain the features and what benefits it can add to you as a consumer. So here we go.
Quick video moving around the Hyundai Elantra. It is available in three trims: Essential, Preferred, and Luxury. The Elantra features a sharper-looking front, side and rear end. It comes with light-emitting diode daytime running lights and light-emitting diode headlights, and new wheels. The Hyundai Elantra Preferred features comes with 16-inch alloy wheels and blind spot detection on the outside rear view mirror. The base powertrain is a breathless 2.0-liter four-cylinder, but the luxury and N-line model comes with a turbocharged hybrid 1.6-liter that offers a bit more zest. This Hyundai's trunk offers 14.2 cubic feet of space, about average for a compact car. It's spacious enough for your shopping trip bags or your family's carry-on luggage. The spare wheel is located inside the trunk. The rear seat has a foldable option giving added luggage space. Rear passenger leg room is 38 inches. The front leg room is 42.3 inches. The steering comes with Bluetooth connection compatible with Android and Apple CarPlay switches. Steering also comes with lane assist and cruise control option. 4.2 TFT LCD display instrument cluster is equipped for driver assistance. Display also shows lane assist screen, trip meter and tire pressure monitoring device. The user setting option can be used to make changes as per customer needs, like changing the cluster color, auto headlights, door settings or enhanced convenience setting as per customer liking. Comes with front heated seat and heated steering column options on dashboard. Additional option on dashboard gives option to consumer to drive in normal, sport, eco or smart mode. Rear view camera can be viewed at the push of a button. Hands-free, smart trunk with automatic opening. If the keys are in your pocket, approach the rear of the car, stay 3 feet from it, and in 5 seconds the trunk will open up. Engine remote start option in Elantra Preferred option: press on lock and then hold switch for 4 to 5 seconds for the vehicle to start. It can remain in start mode for 10 minutes. You can also switch the engine off by pressing the hold button again.